Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I have another video. This project here is literally have been a year in the making. This is a three-dimensional house, and I will insert pictures in the beginning or the end, or maybe both, so you can see how this looks. This is just not going to pick up on the camera only because it is very large, and it's also very hard to display. So let me just kind of see what I can show you. This is a pattern from Kathy of Paper Phenomenon. This was last year's Christmas project, so last year, year before. This was December of 2016's projects. There was 3 houses in this series, and it does light up. So I finally finished this up, and this is absolutely gorgeous. So you can see it with the light on it. So pretty. And just real quick, the paper line that I used for this is from Kaisercraft, and I used Christmas Wishes, and this was again from 2016's paper collection. So I don't know, I'm sure you could probably find it out there somewhere, but that's what I used because I thought it was so pretty. And let's just see. It is huge. So anyway, that's what it looks like there. Again, I'll start some in pictures so you can see it in full. And I also made, so the way it works is the roof comes off, and inside holds your mini album. So the mini album that is inside this is my own design. I wanted to make something different than what was in the pattern itself. So I made this cute little mini. Let me zoom in and I can show you. So right on the front is the shaker. And I know the glare is hard to see, but that's what I made. And let me just give you a quick walkthrough. So let me get a card. So a little pocket on the front, and then I made room to hold some photos along with a little belly band right there. And it flips up like this, so you have room, as well as a acetate window pocket. And let's see, it goes, there's room to put some more pull-out photo mats and stuff right there. I just hadn't put any in yet. And then it opens up like this, so room to put 4x6 photos. And then on this page is another little pocket assembly, so you can add some more photos. And then again, it repeats itself. So some of the ideas designed off of this, especially with like this little part right here. Kathy has a series of picture perfect albums, and I have made a boatload of them because I do sell the album blanks. So like this little wallet type of thing here was inspired by that. And again, room for photos. These would fit 4x4 photos. And this isn't a very large album, so this is something that Christmas morning or something, if you had a few special photos that you wanted to put in, you could go ahead and add them, because not all the photos you always take usually are, you know, going to go in an album. So this way you can just pick out the special photos that you would like. And that is that. And then a pocket on the back. And then it just all closes up just like that. And then you can see down inside the house right there. I decorated all the inside, so you can see all that. And then if there's any issues with wiring, I do have the bottom removable, so you can see my wiring hiding underneath for the lights. Just in case I had to get to it, I didn't want to seal it all up in there. I wanted to make it accessible. So, and then the album just goes right back inside. And you can see there's plenty of room right there for it to expand once you get the photos in it. And then the cover goes right back on. So that's my little project. And then just real quick, a little couple shout outs. I want to thank Diane for commenting again on my other album that I had posted earlier, the Full Disclosure album. Thank you so much. And then a shout out. Now I know I'm not going to pronounce this name right, so I'll just put the first name, which I think I'm saying it right. Jacobcuno, I think it is. He is a little young vlogger. He is out there posting some videos. I know his mom, so he's posting some videos. I'll leave a link down below to his channel. I think his most recent upload was hairstyles. He also does some I think some game stuff I saw, and he also does a few cooking things with his mom and stuff like that. So he's looking for subscribers, so go over and give him a little quick shout out there. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you would subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, or if you would also would like a shout out in the future. And until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.